In this video, we are going to solve equations using exponentials and logarithms. So let's start out by taking a look at A. We have 25 equals 10 raised to the power of x minus 1. Now I need to solve for x, and notice x is up here in the exponent. We've got to get it down. Best way to do that is we're going to write this in logarithmic form. So let's start out, we'll do log. Now my base is 10, so this is the common log. I don't need to write it. The result or the argument is 25 equals, and then the exponent is x minus 1. And now we can just use our properties of equality to continue solving. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and now here I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to write this as 1 plus the log of 25 equals x. Be very careful because, let's just put a little side note. Log of 25 plus 1, log of 26, does not equal log of 25 plus 1. Put that over here. That was going to rewrite it again. So these are not the same. So when you're evaluating in your calculator, it is log of 25 plus 1, not log of 26. Make sure too that when you're entering this in the calculator, if you do put that 1 to the right, close off your parentheses before hitting plus 1. So I'm going to grab my calculator. And I'm just going to enter it in. So I'm going to have 1 plus log 25, close off your parenthesis, and equals. And we're going to round this to the nearest 10,000th. So we are going to have x is approximately 2.3979. Let's take a look at B. Natural log of 2x plus 3 equals 4. So again, I need to get x isolated right now. It's within parentheses and we've got the natural log. So I'm going to undo that. Now, the base here, again, we don't see the base. I've got natural log. That means the base is e. So I'm going to write this now in exponential form. I have e, that's my base, raised to the exponent, which is going to be 4, equals the result or the argument, which is 2x plus 3. And now what you're going to do is you would evaluate e to the 4th in your calculator. And at this point too, what we're going to do, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and we'll solve this all the way and then do the operations in the calculator. I'm going to subtract the 3 from both sides. So I get e to the 4th equals, e to the 4th minus 3. Minus 3 equals 2x. And then I'd have to divide out the 2. So e to the 4th minus 3 divided by 2 equals x. Let's go ahead and put this in the calculator. I'm going to take e to the 4th. Second, where's the ln button? Here it is. E to the x is right above it. E to the x to the 4th. Close your parentheses. Equals. And then I needed to subtract 3. So I will minus 3 equals. And then divide by 2. And we get approximately 25.7991. I'm going to round up. I'm going to take it to the nearest 10,000ths. And now here are your try-its. Go ahead, pause the video, give them a shot, and then come on back and check your answer. So for A, I've got log of 3x minus 2 equals 2. Well, I need to undo this. So what I'll do is I'm going to move this into exponential form. My base, it's the common base, it's 10. Excuse me, it's the common log, which has the implied base of 10. So I have 10 raised to the exponent is 2 equals the result, which is 3x minus 2. Now, 10 squared is 100. 100 equals 3x minus 2. I am now going to add 2 to both sides. 102 equals 3x. And now we'll divide out that 3, and we're going to get 34. And now on B, I need to get this exponent, this x, down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the inverse of E, which is the natural log. So here we go. Natural log. My result is 8 equals the exponent, which is x plus 2. And now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 2 plus the natural log of 8 equals x. And again, here's another common mistake. Remember, put it off to the side here. ln of 8 minus 2 does not equal the same as the ln of 6. This is a big no. Don't do it. Make sure if you're putting that negative 2 to the right of your natural log, make sure that when you are putting this in the calculator, you are closing off your parentheses around that 8. These are not the same number. So let's go ahead, grab the calculator, punch this up, and see what we get. I'm going to have the negative 2 plus natural log of 8, close the parenthesis, equals, we get approximately, let's jot this down, 0 is approximately 0.0794. Notice too how when I'm doing these, because I am rounding, I'm using the symbol for approximate. It's not equal. If you round a number, it is not equal. It's an approximation. So make sure that you are using correct notation.